Hi everyone, let us start our journey with the machine learning. So, to start a journey with a person, we would know their name. In the same way, to start the journey with the concept called machine learning, we must first know its definition. So, when it comes to definition, there are many definitions regarding machine learning in various platforms or various websites. So, I feel like the definition that I have presented here is pretty clear and it resembles the actual concept of the machine learning. So, okay, let us start the definition. So, before trying to understand the definition, as I said in the previous video, that we are going to divide the concept into parts and combine the parts into the end product. So in the same way, I try to divide the definition that is present here into two parts. So the first part states that the machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and computer science. So we all know the word computer science because we are approximately most of the people watching this video are computer science engineers. So computer science, the vast concept in which even the machine learning and artificial intelligence falls under. Machine learning and artificial intelligence falls under. So keeping that a word, computer science word apart, let us try to understand the word artificial intelligence. What does the word artificial intelligence means? An artificial intelligence is a concept which makes the device or the machine to think like a human being. To understand it, let me give you an example. The example of artificial intelligence is the self-driving cars designed by the Tesla company. The Tesla company designed the self-driving cars. The main aim of self-driving cars is to drive the vehicle without any human intervention. So at that place, the machine is itself taking the decisions of taking the directions or crossing a vehicle or applying the brake. That all the decisions regarding the driving thing is taken by the machine. In the same way, the artificial intelligence also aims to make the machine to think like human being and take the appropriate decisions to current situation. So that is the meaning of artificial intelligence. Okay, I got understood the definition of artificial intelligence. Then there arise a questions. Why machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence? What does this statement means? So the machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence because intelligence is a huge concept. So if you take this big circle as artificial intelligence, it is a vast concept which can be achieved by using the concept called machine learning, and then there is a subpart in the machine learning called deep learning. So keeping the deep learning part aside, let us try to understand this diagram. The first thing, the diagram says that artificial intelligence is a vast branch and in which the artificial intelligence aims are achieved by using the machine learning. So that's the reason we have stated that machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. Okay. The first part is clear, Raman. Then what does the second part actually means? So the the second part states that it gives device the ability to learn from the experience and improve their self without doing any coding. Okay, this line seems pretty clumsy than the first line, right? So I will try to make it easier for us. So let us assume there is an input variable A and B and output variable D. So let us assume that the values of A, there are some rows which include some numerical values, that is 2, 3, the output variable is 6, and 3, 4, the output variable is 8. And there arrives a question. There arrives a query. This is the input data. Let us assume that this is the input data that we have, and we are passing this data to a model M, which is a machine learning model and which predicts the output for the corresponding query given. Let us assume that the query corresponding values of A and B are 5 and 6. So the values of A and B of the query are 5 and 6. So which are given to a model. By using this data, the model tries to predict the value. Let us assume that model has predicted the value of 7. So let us assume that the actual value for this query is, for as example, let us assume that query is 5 and 6 as assumed. Let us think the actual value is 8, but the model predicted the value 7. So this is the wrong answer, right? Actually, the original value is 8. The model predicted 7. The corresponding value predicted by this model is wrong. Then what we will do is that instead, next time a new query arrives, in the sense what I am trying to say, we would pass those values as the correct values to the data. So now for the next iteration, the data would be this. So whenever there arrives a new prediction which resembles the same, let us assume that new prediction A, B values are 5 and 6, then the model tries to learn from the previous data and predicts the correct output this time. So previously, the model, when this A and B as 5 and 6 values are given to this model, the model has predicted that the value is 7, but the model prediction was wrong. So what we actually done, we have actually added the correct data to the original database that we have, and whenever the same data or the relevant data has arrived, the model tries to use the data which it has predicted wrong and learn from it and improve the model and then predict the value correctly. This is what the second point actually means. I think it's pretty clear. Okay, just with my writing, I'm not that much good at writing.